Today we're talking about Lexus Es300, and we'll be changing brakes and rotors. So what you need is a jack, something to put it under so it doesn't fall, or some wood maybe, and then you need something like this to press out the brakes. And then I'm using a 17mm socket, so, and maybe like a deadbolt or sledgehammer, so you don't have, or something to take the bolts out. I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, that's pretty much all you need to change the brakes, and a little bit of grease. So what I'm gonna do is remove two bolts, not these, but this one right here, the big one, and the one on the bottom, one right here and one right in there, right there. I don't know if you see right there, this one and this one. So I'm gonna remove those two, and they're 17mm. So I just set it on my tire. Make sure you don't scratch your wheel. And what I do is I take this one off first, pop it out, make sure you know how it goes, which way later. So that's how it's sitting, just like that. And don't take this one out, because you can use that one to press out these, whatever they call that, I don't know, hydraulic things when you press brakes. So use this. Once you push those out, both of them, if you don't have anything flat, just make sure you don't destroy it. Slowly go one, then two, back and forth till almost flush, and the brake pads should go in. Make sure you push this out this way. So I had to take these two bolts off from here to take this off because that thing won't compress. Other side did, so I didn't have to take these out. But since I'm changing the rotors, this has to come off and this, so it's gonna be 4 bolts. This should be like around 14mm. So I took these off. So this is what it looks like. Then now I still have to take, I put those big bolts back on, but now I have to take them off. So I can take this thing off to get the rotor. Then I'll take those big bolts off to get the rotor, put the rotor back, put them in, and then I'll install the brakes. But the other side, I didn't really have to take these off. It went easy. Maybe something is here doesn't let it go. I don't know. So mine got seized up. I had to move it around, and still it moves, but not that good. I'm gonna have to replace it in the future. Anyways, I'm installing new brackets. You can put back old ones, just like this. What you want to do is take a brake pad, put just a little bit of grease on the back side, maybe some on the edges. Just be careful, don't put any on the brake pad. And then I'll install this one, the back one. Just like that. Maybe put a little bit of grease on the front, just a tiny bit. Some on the edges so it doesn't squeak. Just be careful so you don't put anything on the rotor. So now I'm done. Put the wheel on and take the jack out and you're done. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.